Your 2020 Toyota 4Runner key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When it dies, your remote locking and unlocking won't work. Replacing it is simple and saves on dealership costs. The fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. First, locate the seam on your fob, usually on the sides. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the case. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery. Note the orientation, positive side up, before removing the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together firmly and test the fob by unlocking your car. Always ground yourself to avoid static electricity when handling the fob's electronics. Consider using anti-corrosion spray on the battery contacts to prevent future issues. While many replacements don't require reprogramming, Toyota officially recommends it to avoid signal glitches. Post-2020, key fob technology is trending towards longer-lasting batteries and integration with connected vehicles. Newer models even feature rechargeable fobs. While traditional battery replacements remain cost-effective, future 4Runners may offer app-controlled access and reduced battery dependence. For now, DIY replacement is a reliable and accessible solution.